So as you can see, we have the iOS 16 update right here on this phone. So we have the iOS 16 on this iPhone X, and as you can see, the new features in the iOS 16 is right on this phone. And you can see we have the customizable lock screen. So let me show you how you can also update yours to get this iOS 16, because this is also a sign of the update, the search right here. So when you go to your browser, any browser, it can be Chrome or any other, then when you go, then you just tap in betterprofiles.com. then you search this on Chrome or any browser that you have. So betterprofiles.com, and then you search. So when you search for this better profiles, you see we have download better profiles, and then you just scroll down right below. So you can see we have install profile here. Just tap on the install profile, and then it should send you to this place, and then you tap on install anyways. So just tap on install anyways, and then it will also lead you to a new home screen. Then you just tap on continue. So when you tap on continue, then you just tap on allow. Okay, just tap on allow, and then your download is successful. Just tap to close, and then also tap on done right here, and then go to your phone settings. You will see the better profiles downloaded right there. So as you can see, we have the profile downloaded. Then we just tap on that one. So here is our profile. That's the iOS 16 beta software profile that has been downloaded. Just tap on the install, and then it will ask for your password, and then you just tap your password, and then you just tap install at the right top here, and then you check below and tap on install again. And then right now it will ask you to restart your phone immediately. So before you restart your phone, this update should be made. You have to make sure you back up your files. So that in case there is any issue with the backup or the update of iOS 16, you will not find yourself wanting. So just back up your files before you always try to install or update your iOS. So after the backup, then you just go to your phone settings, then you go to your general, then you go to your software update, and then you have the iOS 16 developer beta 2 version right here, and then you tap on download and install. So when you tap on it, you can see we have update requested. So in no time, your update will be downloaded. So you just need your data connection for you to download the new beta version, and then after that, you restart your phone, and then your phone will have the new beta version. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you want more videos from this channel. Also leave your comment below about anything that you want us to help you, and then we'll do a video just like this one to help you. So if you want to subscribe, and then you'll see in the next video. Catch you up in the next video. Thanks for watching.